Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I have a haul to share with you today from I think 3 different places. So I'm going to start off with, I think I've got Amazon, Poundland and a few little bits from B&M. So I'm going to start off with Amazon first. So I picked up this for my younger daughter. She's been wanting to get some makeup brushes. So it comes in this really nice case. Like I said, she's only just turned a teenager, so I didn't want to spend too much on brushes just yet. But this is a really nice set, and it had really good reviews, and I've a lot of people have bought this and shared it on like videos and stuff and done reviews, and they said it's really good, even like better than some of these professional makeup brushes. But yeah, so it comes with a little customer leaflet. Comes with one silicone applicator there. It comes in this nice case, and then you get a variety of like brushes for eyes and face and stuff, eyebrows. Yeah, so it comes with a load. I don't know how many. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different brushes. And I think this was only like £6. And like I said, it comes in this like kind of like a pencil case to keep them all in. It's in this marble effect. I thought it's quite nice. I mean, she's most probably going to put them in a pot. She might not keep this in here. But she can also use this as a pencil case if she wanted to, or other makeup products you could keep in there. So that was quite good for £6. So got that one. So I'm putting that away for her for Christmas to go with her bits. So that's that. Then picked up this Redline Tape. Been struggling recently to find. They had it in Hobbycraft, but it's like I want to say like £4 just for one roll. I was not paying £4 for one roll. I refused. This is the cheapest I could find it. I think it has 18 rolls, and I think this was about 11 something like that. But it has different sizes. Doesn't actually state on here. Well, I'll try and link everything. Like I said, on Amazon I tend to try and link everything down below, but they're obviously in different. I think there's 3mm, 6, 9, and I think the larger ones are a 12, or they could be 11, I'm not sure. But yeah, so it comes with, as you can see, quite a few rolls in there, in various sizes. I thought that was a really good deal. Yeah, for that. So picked up that one. That will last me quite a while. And then the other thing I found on Amazon, because I've been looking everywhere, they just don't seem to have many things for Minecraft, and my little boy is really into Minecraft at the moment, and he's been wanting a hat to wear that's Minecraft, and I managed to find one like a smaller, obviously because he's only 4. I think this might be a tad too big for him, but I'm sure I can roll it up and stuff. So yeah, so I got that on there for Amazon, and it comes with the gloves as well. It didn't come with a scarf, but I can always just buy a black or green scarf to kind of match it. So that's that. Next few bits is Poundland, guys. So I saw these. Well, actually my eldest son picked up this stuff from Poundland. He went in there and then he was like sending me bits on WhatsApp, and he was like, do you like this, do you like this, and stuff. So he picked up these. I'm trying to open this. These were, I want to say £1.50, or they could have been £2. I know a lot of stuff now in Poundland isn't a pound, so it gets a bit confusing when you're in there, because like obviously the prices have all changed now. But these are like little gonks or gnomes, whatever you want to call them. They've got little wooden feet, and they're just really cute, and you could hang them on your tree, or they'd be nice to send out in like on presents with a tag or something. Yeah, I just thought they're really cute. So you get a grey, a white and a pink. They're just really cute, really cute. So I got one of those. Then got these little mittens. They did have these in white or pink, so if you've got like a pink theme for your tree, they'd go perfectly. So yeah, these are like little mittens. They've got pom-poms on it, and I want to say these were $1.50. But yeah, as I didn't go, guys, I can't really give you prices, and I've not got the receipt. Then picked up, this is what I needed him to pick up for me while he was in there. The paper shred. So you got the green and the red, and they were £1 in there. You get 50 grams, is it? Yeah, so that's really good for that price. So they did have other colours. I think they had gold and white, I think he said. Then picked up this giant bow, and this is really nice material. It's like that velvety kind of material. Has a hoop on there. Yeah, and then there looks like there's a clip on the back there to clip it on. So really nice. I think this was $1.50, and I think then these ones, I'm sure he said, were £1, and you get the smaller ones. You get 2 in a pack of those, and they've just got the clips. So if I take, this is what the big one's got. So it's just got a clip on the back, and then you can just clip it to like present, or you could even clip these on your tree. The big one you could put like at the top of your tree if you wanted to, and stuff. So yeah, so I picked up those 2 and the larger one for me. Then picked up some more of these. I shared these in previous hauls. I think I shared these last year. These are what I put in the baubles that I've recently, my little man's made. You get 3 in a pack for £1. They did have other ones, but just like these ones, and I needed some more to make some more baubles. Like I said, he's making some for his teachers and stuff, and we've run out, so we've got 2 packs of those, and I think that's it for Poundland, guys. So I'll just move these bits out the way, and then I'll do the last few bits, which was B&M. So first thing we picked up was a couple of these. Like I said in previous video, my daughters like these for their hair. They're just easy. They sort of twirl it and clip it up out the way, especially my oldest one at uni, when she's doing her studying stuff and that. Yeah, she just uses these all the time. So got these to go in there. Beauty hampers, because I'm doing those again, guys. I will try and do a video if I get round to it. I feel like I'm so behind on videos recently. Yeah, I've just not had the time to put up what I normally do, but I am doing the girls their Christmas beauty hampers, which I do every year, and these will go in now for those, for them. Then picked up this, well, my daughter she wanted these 2 for her friends. That's who she's doing the Christmas hampers for. Yeah, so she picked up, they're just little mirrors, and they've got their initials on the back. And then I picked this up for my youngest daughter, so then she's got the same in her friend. They most probably put these in their school bags, and they've all got 1 each. These were £2.50 each, so they've got those to go in their hampers and stuff. I then found this for my eldest daughter. It's Misguided, and this was only $3.99 in there, I want to say. Hold on, let's see. $4.99 this one was, which thought was quite good. It's a body mist. So yeah, picked up that one for my eldest daughter. Boring stuff, but practical. Picked up some more hand wash because we've run out of that, so I needed another one of those, so I picked up that one. My husband picked this up for something or other. I'm not sure, just I guess a new like a charger cable that we needed. So we picked up this one. This was £14. It's a 1.2 meter cable, iPhone, iPads and iPods. So picked that one up. And then I like their disposable masks in there. I use these pretty much all the time. You get 25 in a pack. Yeah, and I think these were like £2. So yeah, just picked up. They're handy to always have on hand. I have got the washable ones, but sometimes these are just easier for the kids when they're going to school, just to grab one of these and put it in, like my daughter to put in her blazer and stuff. So that's it, guys. That's all I have to share with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in my next one. Take care, guys. Have an awesome week. Bye.